Ever feel like your mechanical keyboard is just missing something? This set of TS Keycap DSA profile blank PBT keycaps might just be the answer you've been searching for. They claim to fit virtually any standard mechanical keyboard, from compact 60% layouts all the way up to full 104 and 108 key setups, and even some non-standard ones. That's a pretty bold claim, and honestly, it's what immediately caught my eye. The DSA profile is known for its uniform height across all keys, which can lead to a really consistent typing feel, and these are made from PBT, which is generally considered a premium material for keycaps, offering better durability and a more satisfying texture than ABS. The set I'm looking at today is the blue-white colorway, and it's a really clean, classic look. They also offer black, gray-white, and blue-yellow, so there are options to suit different aesthetics. What's interesting is the sheer number of keys included. You can get a 109 key set, which includes the standard 104 keys, plus some extra R4 blank keycaps, and a staircase keycap, or a massive 151 key set. This larger set is designed to cover even more niche layouts, including those found on some Corsair and Razer keyboards, and even the Manila layout. This level of compatibility is seriously impressive and means you're unlikely to run into missing keys, which is a common frustration with other keycap sets. Now, it's important to remember that this is just the keycaps themselves. You'll need to have a mechanical keyboard with MX-compatible switches already. But if you're looking to refresh the look and feel of your current board, this is a fantastic way to do it. The blank profile means no legends, which is perfect for a minimalist setup or for those who have their keybinds memorized. It definitely gives your keyboard a unique, almost stealthy appearance. Typing on them feels smooth and consistent, and the PBT material has that nice, slightly textured feel that I personally prefer. It's a subtle change, but it makes a noticeable difference in the overall typing experience. So is this the ultimate keyboard upgrade? For anyone seeking a clean, durable, and highly compatible blank keycap set, the TS Keycap DSA Profile PBT set is definitely worth considering. It offers a premium feel and a vast array of keycaps to ensure compatibility with almost any mechanical keyboard out there.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.